Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you post a job on Upwork as a freelancer. All right, so let's get into the video. So as you may know, like you can only post a job if you have a client, if you have a client account on Upwork. So if you're a freelancer, you can't directly post a job, but we can still doable. So we can still post a job, but what we have to do is first we need to create a client account from our freelancer profile. So that's the first step that we're going to do. So firstly, open up Upwork and log into your freelancer account. So done. So once you're already logged in, what you're going to do now is we're going to set up a client account from our freelancer profile. So click on your profile icon on your top right and then go to settings. So once you get to settings here, all right, under contact information, scroll down and you will see additional accounts and you will see an option called client account. So click on new client account. So here we're going to start and set up a new client account. So do that. All right, so just plug in the information here. All right, then click on create. All right, that's it. So once you have typed in your company name and proceed here, you will be now able to proceed with the screen where you can post your job here. So what you can do is you can start posting your job. So you just write a title for your job post. So just put customer service just for dummy. All right, let's put that. Click on next, and then type in or search the skills that needed. All right, so type that. Click on next, and then you can choose the scope. So whatever that's done. All right, choose. All right, and then select all this information here. All right, so you can choose your amount and all those information, your budget rate, hourly rate, or whatever. That's it. All right, so fill those information, click on next, and then lastly here what you can do, you can just need to uh, describe the your job. So what are the job that you're posting, so give some information about your job. So just put a small description here, and then once you're done with that, and you can attach any additional files here if it relates to your job post or your vacancy, the post that you're doing. So once you're done with that, then just click on the review, and that's it. Your job will be submitted for review, and once approved, your job will be posted. So that's how you can actually post a job on Upwork as a freelancer. So first, just create the client account, and once that's done, then you can free to post the job. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.